Are you completely exhausted by staring at glowing screens all day long? What if I told you that the biggest technological leap of this decade will not have a screen at all? Forget the latest phone updates. Forget the rumors about folding displays. Right now, deep inside their secret testing facilities, Apple is finalizing a device so revolutionary, it will make your bulky smartwatch feel like a useless brick. Welcome to 2026. This is the year Apple finally unleashes its most fiercely protected secret. It is the Apple Smart Ring. This is no longer just a crazy internet rumor. It is a very real product. It is currently in production. It is designed to completely destroy the smartwatch industry as we know it. It is going to rewrite the rules of wearable technology forever. You need to know exactly what is coming. Let us look back at history for a moment. Every single time Apple enters a brand new category, they shift the entire world. They completely revolutionized music with the iPod. They changed global communication with the smartphone. They took over the fitness world with the Apple Watch. Now, they are absolutely ready to do it again. For the past few years, people wondered why Apple stayed so quiet. We watched other brands rush into the smart ring market. Companies launched their rings and grabbed the spotlight. It looked like Apple was falling far behind. But if you understand how Apple works, you know this was their exact master plan. Apple loves to let other brands test the dangerous waters first. They sat back in absolute silence. They watched those early devices struggle. They noticed the frustrating companion apps. They saw the terrible battery life that drained in days. They realized the fitness data was too basic to actually help anyone. Apple simply waited. They studied every single flaw. They refined their own technology in absolute secrecy. They built a product that fixes everything. They do not enter new markets just to play a game. They enter them to completely take over. Forget about a basic step counter. Do not even think about a simple sleep tracker. The Apple Smart Ring is shaping up to be a literal magic wand for your entire digital life. Freshly leaked patents from industry insiders reveal something mind-blowing. This ring is actually an invisible controller for your whole world. Imagine you are cooking a meal in the kitchen. Your hands are covered in flour. You need to scroll down a recipe on your tablet. Instead of washing your hands and touching the glass, you just flick your finger in the empty air. Picture yourself sitting in a quiet office meeting. You can subtly adjust the volume on your earbuds. You can swipe through presentation slides on your laptop. You can even navigate advanced virtual headsets just by pinching your fingers together. The future is truly screenless. There is no tapping on glass. There is no looking down at a tiny display. This ring connects your physical body directly to the Apple ecosystem. It uses hyper-advanced motion tracking technology to do this. Then there is the health tracking system. Apple is taking this to a level we have never seen before. Let us be completely honest with ourselves. Sleeping with a big, heavy metal smartwatch strapped tightly to your wrist is just not comfortable. A ring is practically weightless. It sits tightly on your finger. Because of this, it captures a much stronger and clearer pulse signal than your wrist ever could. It offers continuous blood oxygen readings all day and night. It uses advanced skin conductance sensors to read your body for deep stress analysis. It provides precise temperature tracking. It can predict illnesses days before you actually feel sick. But the absolute holy grail of this new device is the highly rumored non-invasive glucose monitoring. This is the one feature that changes the entire world. Right now, millions of diabetics around the globe have to painfully prick their fingers with needles every single day. They do this just to check their blood sugar. If Apple has truly figured out how to check glucose levels pain-free inside a tiny metal ring, this device becomes instantly mandatory for millions of people. It shifts from being a cool tech gadget to a life-saving medical necessity. Now, let us talk about the biggest headache with modern wearables. Charging them is terrible. Because the Apple Ring does not have a glowing, battery-draining screen, the battery life is going to be truly phenomenal. You have to charge your smartwatch almost every single day. But with this ring, you can expect it to last up to a full week on just one single charge. You slide it onto your finger, and you literally never have to think about taking it off. The true magic lies in how beautifully it talks to everything else you own. Apple's ecosystem is already a trap. This ring makes it a beautiful one. Imagine walking up to your locked car and simply grabbing the steering wheel to start it. Imagine waving your hand when you walk into your dark house to instantly turn on your smart home lights. Picture yourself paying for your weekly groceries without ever reaching into your pocket for a wallet. You never have to raise your wrist to a scanner again. It is pure, invisible convenience. Interestingly, this does not mean you have to throw your old watch away. If you love working out and want the best data possible, you are in luck. Leaks suggest the sensors inside the ring and the watch will communicate with each other seamlessly. By tracking data from both your finger and your wrist simultaneously, Apple will create the most accurate health profile ever recorded by a consumer device. Current industry rumors point to a massive launch event in September of this year, 2026. This will likely happen right alongside the brand new phones. And the absolute best part is the price. The price tag is expected to sit around $299 to $349. This makes it much more affordable than a flagship watch.